the emotion of rain, had the emotion of we're making love as the rain is falling. Is that fall? All right, today I'm checking out the Rolling Stones. I'm listening to the song Rain Fall Down. Let's get into it.
It was a filthy block of flats. Trash was on the floor. A stink was in my nose. Hinges off the doors. She took me in her room. I was big and span. Fixed me up a drink. Turned down all the lamps. The rain fell down on the cold hard ground, and the phone kept ringing, and we made sweet love. Why do we live in this strange great town? The build it up and let it all fall down. Feel like we're living in a battleground. Everybody's jealous. Why do we live in this strange great town? The paint is peeling and the sky turned brown. The back is every Thursday night. They just vomit on the ground. And the rain fell down on the cold gray town, and the phone kept ringing, and we made sweet love, and we made sweet love. Everybody's dreaming. Everybody's scheming. How can the rain fall down?
Okay, dang, what a unique one. This is like a less is more kind of song. The first time that really jumped out is that guitar. You know what I mean? That's like really the heavy, strongest, biggest sound in the song. Everything else is just like a little jam. Boom, 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 boom. Is that going on? And you got Mick Jagger kind of carrying the tune with his vocals. You know what I mean? But it's like it's really not overdone. It's kind of subtly just put together and seamlessly and perfect and whatnot. But you know, some songs it's like 7-layer salad. I feel like this, it actually does have a few layers. That's quite a few layers. But the sounds are kind of, they're just toned down. To me, it feels like less is more. Even though I'm sure that's a decent amount of instruments they got going. But it's just, it's so smooth and boom, 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 boom. Then he's singing. He is like an instrument.
Fall down. She cooked me up some eggs, then she made some tea, kissed me on the cheek, and I turned on her TV.
That was a nice little jam. That was even different for a Rolling Stones song. You know what I mean? This wouldn't be their core sound. It's different for the Rolling Stones. It's different for the rainy, stormy songs we've been getting. It didn't feel that rainy. You know what I mean? Because the rain really wasn't the biggest. It was a song about making love. That's what it was. It was barely a rain song. Like the rain was definitely falling down. It was falling down, but it didn't have the emotion of rain. It had the emotion of we're making love as the rain is falling down. So it's a little tricky, a little bit tricky. Definitely completely different than a lot of the rainy songs we got tonight. This was a love making song, making love in the rain.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like I don't know.